Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious and healthy yogurt salad dressing. We'll start with the basics, focusing on plain yogurt as our foundation. Choosing Greek yogurt will give you a thicker, more protein-rich base. You'll need just a few simple ingredients like good quality olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. A touch of natural sweetness, perhaps from honey or maple syrup, can also elevate the flavor profile beautifully. Now, let's explore some exciting flavor combinations to truly customize your dressing. Imagine a vibrant Mediterranean dressing with fresh dill, fragrant mint, and minced garlic. Or perhaps a zesty option featuring bright lime juice, fresh cilantro, and a pinch of earthy cumin. For a classic creamy herb dressing, consider chives, parsley, and a hint of tangy Dijon mustard. Don't hesitate to experiment with various spices like paprika or black pepper to find your perfect blend. Once you have your ingredients, the next step is mixing and perfecting the consistency. Whisk everything thoroughly in a medium-sized bowl until it's wonderfully smooth and well combined. If the dressing is too thick, you can easily adjust it by adding just 1 or 2 tablespoons of water or milk. Always taste and modify the seasonings, like salt, pepper, or acidity, as needed. Allowing it to chill for at least 30 minutes helps the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, let's talk about storing and serving your homemade yogurt dressing. It keeps well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prep. This versatile dressing is fantastic over fresh green salads, hearty grain bowls, or even roasted vegetables. You can also use it as a healthy and flavorful dip for raw vegetables or warm pita bread. Remember to give it a good shake before each use to reincorporate all those lovely ingredients.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.